Oops. Elliot has figured out how to make me turn off the camera. That's not awesome. It simultaneously is and isn't. It's absolutely hilarious, but it's going to get really annoying if they keep doing this while I'm taking video. Hey, Oliver. Hey, Thistle. Hey, Thistle. Thistle is fully self-feeding. This is just really relaxing. Oh, no. Don't get to pet that Thistle. Thistle just wants the nursies. Specifically, just wants the nursies. Can I pet your chest? Oh. He's going to come preen the camera. That's precious. You come preen the camera and be loving? Oliver, leave my toes alone. You know where them toes have been. So as much as they've actually been shredding, it actually looks like Pippin has... Lord. Pippin actually has ejaculated into Cookie successfully a couple, 2 or 3 times. So we're hoping that next week or early in the one following, we'll get eggs out of Cookie. Stop messing with my toes. Hi, Hagrid. Hi, Betty. Hagrid and Betty have also been treading. Oh, hello, Hagrid, my stretchy girl. We did a little genetics presentation on Oliver today. Not Oliver, I'm sorry. Farthing. I'm gonna touch you. Is that okay? No, that is not okay. Hagrid is immediately done with me. For some birds, lap or shoulder company is the best you're honestly going to get. Especially if they've grown up around a lot of other birds, because they are more likely to bond with another bird than bond with you any closer than a flock mate big enough to sit on. Which is what I happen to be for most of these. All 3 babies fighting. Oh. Did you just realize I was here? Give you the nursies? Oh, he's 10 weeks old. She's 7 weeks. She's 6 weeks. And she is aware of being big. Quit messing with my toes. Yeah, hi, Thistle. Hi, Thistle. That is quite the preeny Rigby. There's Stephen napping. And Gus napping. Ellie is up here where the boys can't fit to chase her. Most everybody is down. There's a couple, 2 or 3 up fussing. Excuse me. Really hoping for an egg out of them soon. Tandy and Emilio have been trying again recently, but we know how long it took them last time. And, you know, as many birds as are in the loft right now, I'm not in any rush. Any new babies that Tandy and Emilio produce are going to be trained for therapy. Right now, of our remaining breeders, Luxie is the highest on the retirement list. She would honestly be happiest, God bless, she would honestly be happiest in a loft full of other racers. She might be a decent breeder or foster mom if nobody ever handles her or goes anywhere near her or her nest ever. Which makes her absolutely terrible for this project, and I kick myself every day that I was willing to trade David for her. David was amazing. Oh, I'm sorry, Thistle. That better? I mistook him for his sister and pet him without thinking. He complained. So, when I realized that was him, I said I was sorry and stopped trying to pet him. He's very communicative. He just doesn't like me to touch him. Oh, hi, Penny. Penny's messing with my skirt. Farthing has gotten into my lap once already. And Penny is curious. She sees these other peeps up here and nothing bad happening to them. You can come up here if you wanna. Oh, stretchy. You can actually see she's got some moon spots. Only sorta. She's not spread. If you look at PJ, if he'll turn his tail towards us, you can see the difference between a spread and a very strong T pattern. A properly spread bird has an entirely dark tail. If Emilio will come, Lord, so many tries and all of them end in failure. Loft selection at its finest. Oh, well, we might be able to see Betty, just not from that. There we go. You can see Betty's tail bar from here as his tail dips, whereas most of his upper body looks black. His tail is clearly blue with a black bar. That's how you tell a T-pattern checker that's just very, very dark and has a lot of covering from an actually spread bird. You can also see on Thistle, who inherited his dad's color, he looks black until you get to the tail here, which has a clear bar. And he's okay with me touching that because he can reach the camera. That does not interfere with him thistling about. It'll be interesting to see if Thistle and Indica become items. I say as they immediately start an argument over who gets to sit in that spot. Hi, Oliver. There is an Oliver on my camera hand again. You want to be on my head? Yes, he did. Good boy. Hey, buddy. Indica 1. Hi, Penny. Hi, Penny. You want some lap time? Oh, you do. Look at you having lap time. She's very excited for a new egg. Hi, Penny. Hi, Penny. Penny just doesn't know how my skirt works because some of it seems solid and some of it is drastically less solid. So you can see her testing to see how much of her weight any random part will bear. There's a girl. Huh. Well, Cody just tread his dad. Heard the flapping and didn't think that Haggard had returned, but yeah, no. Betty's a switch. That's actually pretty common in pigeons. Look at this Penny be on my lap. That's the first time she's gotten up here on purpose. Oh, hey, Farthing. You gonna come join? Okay. Yeah, my lap is a good place to pile. Indica? Indica. Can I pet you? Can I preen you? Oh, you want the nursies. Okay. You want the nursies. Nursies are fine. Yeah. I give you the nurses. Note to self. I really need to start teaching them touch as a general and then specify. Can I preen you? No? Okay. That's fine. That was a no in no uncertain terms. And this is actually one of the ways that we taught Anku to communicate yes and no for us. If a pigeon doesn't want something, they're going to turn away from it naturally. And if you can get them to associate that action with no, and either taking a step towards you or reaching out for you as a yes, then you can get your bird to answer yes or no questions. Well, those are eggs we'll have to replace. We've still got his dad in quarantine. Huh. Either she forgot what she was doing or Lily spooked her. It's hard to say. Oh, Farthing has claimed my knee. Hi, Farthing. Hey, beautiful boy. Look at that. You can actually see the grizzling on his tail. You can see the black marks on that one feather that the almond lets through, and here on the back of his wing you can see some of the bronzing that the almond lets through. We discussed at great length on our advice blog on Tumblr all of the genes that went into this beautiful little bird. Oh, thank you. That was a beautiful stretchy. That showed exactly what I was trying to illustrate earlier. Good boy. Hi, Sativa. Sativa hasn't been spoken for yet. You want some lap time too? You want lap time too? Thank you for pooping before you got up here. What a good beep. What a good little beep. Hi, Sativa. Oh, stretchy. You're a very pretty boy. We think. We don't actually know. We did, however, find a sexing service. So if anyone is interested in having him sexed, the price, depending on the method, is $11.99 or $13.99, which I consider very reasonable. If we could be reimbursed for that by an interested party, we can go ahead and get Sativa sexed. Hi, Indy. Yeah, this is too much competition for Sativa. And Sativa seems to have inherited a little bit of his mom's more standoffish demeanor. Hey, Farthing, you can come back up. No? Too much on my toes. Lily trying to woo his Luxie. Kind of hoping that once Luxie retires, Lily will attach himself to someone who will actually let him tread her. I'm really excited for Lily babies. Hi, Elliot. Can I touch you? Oh, I can touch that, Elliot. Okay. I pet that little peep and give her the nursies. Give that peep the nursies. Pet that little peep. Give that little peep the nursies. Yes. Preen that little peep. Oh, too close preening, huh? Preen down here? Yeah. That's a good beep. Y'all see how she leaned into that Yeah. That's the goodest Beep. Oh, you like that? Yeah, you like that. And want the nursies. Beep. I know. Oh, I know. So, to avoid having to chase our feral children, this evening, a little past midnight, we are going to be. Yes? Yes? Oh. What a contented peep. We're going to be coming out here, turning off the light, and grabbing Dodger for his PMV booster. Oh, look at your little head feathers. What a happy peep. There is so much Tandy in you, it's ridiculous, and I love it. Hi, Puddin'. Yeah, this Elliot really likes being touched. Isn't it funny how transparent their little eyelids are? Isn't that a neat adaptation? You can see her pupil right through there, and she can see through it also. Oh, Rigby's going to feed that Leela. She's such a good mom. They're so good at keeping those babies pumped. That's my girl. Oh my God, squeaker fights. Oh, you want me to pet you some more? You do? Okay. Okay. I pet that peep. I'm sorry I stopped. Yeah. Oh my goodness, Elliot. Yeah, this spot right over the bridge of her tiny nose is very itchy. Oh, I know. Because she's got these new pins coming in. You can barely see them. But these are her little contour pins. And she is very shortly going to look like a grown bird. Oh, I know, my precious Peep. This precious little Peep. This darling precious Peep. Good Peep. Now this is actually one of the ways that we evaluate our breeding stock for later. We have a very strong preference for the birds who continue to enjoy being touched. Oh, that's adorable. My God, Elliot, you're so cute it hurts. Oh, you're so cute. Now notice we're not blocking off her nostrils. This is just a happy expression. Preening these little pins feels really nice because they itch when they're coming in. Yeah. That a good beep? That's a good beep. She is just chilled right. Oh, you'll see the happy shiver. And also the happy refloofing of forehead feathers. This is a contented baby. And this is an equally contented baby because I am not touching her. She asked me not to. I stopped trying. She's a contented, happy Peep who feels safe in that spot. Oh no, a cockfight. God bless. Oh, I'm sorry, Elliot. Elliot was waiting for me to go back to preening her. Oh yeah. Those are the good deep scritchies. Yeah. Those are the good deep scritchies? You want more? Yeah, you do. Oh yeah, you do. Those are the good scritches. Yeah. Oh, well, we've passed the 20-minute mark. It's really easy to get distracted petting this adorable child. So, in addition to our... Oh, an excited baby. In addition to our clients, adopters, and apprentices both in small-scale companion breeding and rescue work, we would like to thank our subscribers here on YouTube, our wonderful patrons on Patreon, the friends of our business page on Facebook, and our followers on Tumblr, Instagram, and Twitter for your contributions, both financial and intellectual. And provided that we have the time, we will see you tomorrow.